How to receive money on Skrill. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can receive your money on Skrill, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to receive money on Skrill, you can do so by requesting a money, or you can simply send your email or phone number to the person you're trying to receive the money from. First of all, just go to skrill.com and then click on the My Account button from the top right, and then what you need to do is once you go to My Account over here, you'll be taken to your settings dashboard. So you can just come to settings first of all, and once you come to settings you can go to personal details, and then right over here you'll actually be able to see your email address and your phone number. So if someone wants to send you money, they need to have either your phone number or your email address, and when they enter your email address they should be able to successfully send money to you, and then you should be able to receive them as well. And the other way is by requesting a money. For that, just come to your dashboard over here, or you can simply come to the option called transfer, right? So once you basically come to transfer, you can see the option called request money. You can just click on the request money tab and then enter the dollars worth of currency that you actually want to go ahead and then request it. Then just click on the create link button. Once you click on create link, you can just share your link so anybody can pay you. So just copy it and then you can send this to anyone. So if anyone who doesn't have a Skrill account will be prompted to go ahead and create one right away and then send the money to you. Hopefully this video helped you as to how you can receive money on Skrill. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.